What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about Temu app once more, and specifically in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get new users on Temu. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post a new video. So guys, what you want to do is go to the bottom section of your screen and select U button. Then we need to scroll down a bit and select earn credits and free gifts. So as you can see, I'm having a Fishland, a gifts upgraded, easy mode for you, and then we are having refer and earn. So refer friends to get rewards, so get now. Basically we are having some rules over here, which would be nice if you select and read them, and we can just press start earning. So I already talked about affiliate program, so if you did not saw that video you can check it out, but let's quickly move over it. So you select U button downwards, then we need to go to the settings, and your account has to be set up in United States. So basically after you've done it, you just go to your affiliate program. On your search engine, type in affiliate program on Temu and then just sign up over there. So basically quite an easy process. So when you want to start earning on Temu or how to get new users, just go earn credits and free gifts, select refer and earn or whatever you wish for, and basically you're gonna get a code which you're gonna send out to your friends, to your family, to other people, whatsoever. You can advertise it however you want, and when someone signs up with your with your code, you're getting paid. So to get new users you need to sign up to affiliate program and just basically copy that code and send it out, and people will sign up using your code, and basically that's the way to get new users on Temu. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.